Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Today, we are here exploring South Central New South Wales. If you're planning to explore the South Coast of New South Wales, here are some family-friendly spots we recommend. So keep watching! Our first stop was Kiama. Since we arrived around lunchtime, we decided to have a picnic at Hindmarsh Park. This spot is perfect for families because there's a nice playground for kids, plenty of open space, and it's only a short walk to the famous Kiama Blowhole. We also stopped by the Kiama War Memorial for some photos and to remember the brave people who lost their lives during the war. Now, we are here at the Kiama Blowhole. Fun fact, the Kiama Blowhole is one of the largest natural blowholes of the world. When the ocean swell is strong, water can spray several meters high through the rock formation. And best of all, visiting the blowhole is completely free. After the blowhole, we walked around Terralong Street. Callie bought a book here, which made this little stop extra memorable for us. After Kiama, we headed to the beautiful small town of Berry. If you visit Berry, one of the must-try spots is the famous Berry Donut Van.
Ice cream!
The hot cinnamon donuts and coffee here are definitely worth trying. Fun fact, Berry was originally called Rotten Creek before it was renamed after Alexander Berry, one of the first settlers in the area. We also visited the Berry Museum. The museum only opens during weekends, so during our visit, we just explored and took photos outside. The gazebo at Apex Park is also a must-visit spot in Berry. It's a relaxing place to slow down, enjoy the peaceful surroundings, and take in small-town charm. We ended our day at 7 Mile Beach. Sometimes, the best family memories are not about how far you travel, but about spending simple moments together. Thanks for watching Team Labata. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next family adventure.